Hello audience, welcome to Dawn Times. So today we will discuss about political science paper 2 MCQs of CSS 2002. So the first one is total number of states in USA. So there are total 50 states in America. So it is option C. Next one is the first government of US was based on the Articles of Option B Confederation. Next one is US Constitution consists of articles. So there are total 7 articles in the US Constitution. Option A. The fifth American president was option D. James Monroe. And next one is total amendments in the US Constitution is option C 27. Next one is the dissolution of Khilafat and the establishment of Grand National Assembly in Turkey was highly appreciated by, so it is option A, Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Next one is ideological foundations of Turkish constitution are based on the principle of Kemalism. Option A. So there are 6 principles of Kemalism. The first one is republicanism, second one is populism, nationalism, statism, and reformism, among others. So next one is the title of Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity was given to Master Jinnah by option B, Sarojini Naidu. Next one is the concept of separation of power in US Constitution was taken from a Western political philosopher Montesquieu. So it is option A. Next one is Islam was declared as the state religion in the Constitution of Pakistan in 1973 Constitution. So it is option B. Next one is all types of explanation were to be eliminated according to Pakistan Constitution of option C 1973. Next one is when the British government in India cancelled the separation of Bengal that took place in on 16 October 1905. So it is option B 12 December 1911 annulment of partition of Bengal. Next one is if the President dissolve the legislature, he himself shall have to be re-elected. It was mentioned in Pakistan Constitution of 1962. Option B. 1962 Constitution is the second constitution of Pakistan. It was presidential in nature. Next one is the French system of government is mixed. Option C. So there is a weak parliament and strong executive consists of president of the French prime minister and the cabinet. Next one is the first document of English liberties, Magna Carta, was signed by King John in 1215. So it is option A. And according to some historian, it is one of the first written constitution in the world. Next one is the British Constitution can be amended by simple majority. So it is option A. And some salient features of the British Constitution. British Constitution is unwritten in nature. British Constitution is flexible, and British Constitution has a unitary character, and British Constitution promotes a parliamentary executive. British Constitution promotes a sovereign parliament, and British Constitution upholds the rule of law. And last one, British Constitution prescribes an independent judiciary. Next one is the People Republic of China came into being in 1949 after the independence of Pakistan. Pakistan got independence in 1947, but China got independence in 1949, and China has now made a monumental progress in every walk of life, and it is now the second big economy of the world after US. Next one is Indian president is elected by, so it is option C, parliament and provincial assemblies are the state assemblies. And so it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. Thank you.